Hello YouTube viewers, my name's Madeline and today I'm going to be doing a product review of Makeup Forever's HD Foundation. And why I really like this is it's so natural. Number one, it blends really well with your skin. Number two, it really gives great coverage. I don't know if you have really bad acne, it might not cover everything and you'll still need a concealer, but it's really great. And for the third reason, really, you can get it in a whole lot of different shades. My shade is 130 and it's really, really amazing. When I tried it in the store, I just had to get it, so it's great. So soon I'll be doing a foundation routine using this, but I just have to do a few other little things before that. But I hope you like this and buy it. I think it's about $48 and you can buy it at Sephora stores and other places. But, I mean, that's where I got mine. So, yeah, I hope you like this. If you have any other ideas for videos that you want me to do, just let me know. Comment, post anything, message me. Thanks.